The Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus Hybrid Power Cooler is a portable fridge and freezer that can keep your beverages and snacks cold on the go. It can be powered by any 18-volt OnePlus battery, 120-volt wall adapter, or 12-volt car adapter, making it versatile and convenient. With a 24-quart capacity, it can hold up to 40 12-ounce cans and maintain temperatures from -4 Fahrenheit to 68 Fahrenheit. It can keep contents cold for up to 23 hours with 9 ampere-hour batteries. The cooler features an onboard LCD screen for easy monitoring of battery level and temperature, as well as integrated tie-down loops, a bottle opener, and a USB-A port for charging small devices. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty. The Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus 120-watt battery power source is a portable and versatile solution for powering devices. It includes USB and Type-C ports for charging small devices, as well as a 12-volt DC power outlet for larger appliances like coolers or inflators. The power source can charge up to devices at once, making it an essential tool for on-the-go needs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Additionally, the onboard LED task light is useful when using the power source in low-light conditions. The Ryobi USB Lithium Glue Pen is a versatile tool with rapid heat-up and an LED indicator. Its sliding glue lever provides maximum precision, and the metal drip tray stand keeps your workspace clean. The glue pen is part of the USB Lithium system, providing compact and rechargeable solutions for cordless power and productivity. The Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus cultivator is a must-have tool for anyone with flower beds or raised gardens. Its adjustable 4 heavy-duty steel tines can till up to a 6'8" width, making garden preparation quick and easy. This cultivator is versatile enough for maintenance between garden rows, garden preparation, or loosening soil in small areas. It offers 3 modes of operation for user versatility, with different settings for different soil types. The cultivator's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store, and it comes with an 18-volt OnePlus 4 ampere-hour battery that provides up to 40 minutes of run time. Spend less time preparing your garden and more time enjoying it with the Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus cultivator. The Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus Swift Clean Spot Cleaner Kit is an excellent addition to your Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus system. It's perfect for cleaning up everyday spills and messes. The Cordless Swift Clean features a powered scrub brush that agitates and lifts debris for effortless cleaning on various surfaces. Its cordless portability and lightweight design make it easy to clean up immediate messes and prevent set-in stains. With the included 6-ounce Ryobi Oxy cleaning solution, you can quickly and easily clean up stains without any hassle. The clear components of the Swift Clean are top-rack dishwasher safe, making tool maintenance and cleaning a breeze. The Ryobi 40-volt 21-inch brushless cordless snowblower is a powerful winter tool that delivers instant power at the push of a button. Its 180 chute can throw snow up to 35 feet away, and with variable speed auger, you can choose the perfect setting for faster snow throwing or more run time. The telescoping collapsible handles make it easy to fold down into its most compact form, ideal for tight storage spaces. It is powered by 2 40-volt lithium batteries, making it hassle-free without the need for gas or oil. The Ryobi 40-volt brushless 21-inch cordless snowblower is backed with a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting results. The Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus HP Brushless Easy Clean Power Cleaner is a versatile and portable tool that provides 600 psi of pressure to blast away dirt and debris from any surface. The brushless motor ensures optimal performance, and the 3-in-1 nozzle allows for easy switching between turbo, 15, and rinse modes. The adjustable pressure button lets you customize the cleaning power for different applications. You can use the included 20-foot siphon hose or 2-liter bottle adapter for portable cleaning, or connect it to any standard garden hose when a water spigot is nearby. Use it on vehicles, outdoor furniture, windows, boats, or any cleaning application that needs power. The Ryobi one-handed pruning recipe saw is an ergonomic and convenient tool for pruning branches with ease. Its branch hook provides control and reduced vibration, and you can prune small limbs up to 3 inches to keep your outdoor space clean. The easy release blade lever allows for quick blade changes, and it's equipped with a 2.0 ampere-hour battery and charger, part of the 18-volt OnePlus system. This tool and battery are backed by a 3-year warranty. The Ryobi 18 volts OnePlus HP Brushless 61 2-track saw is an excellent addition to your Ryobi 18 volts OnePlus system. It delivers up to 260 linear feet of cutting per charge when paired with a 4 ampere-hour high-performance battery. With up to 4,300 RPM, you can make controlled and accurate cuts quickly, and the saw can make -1 to 48 bevel cuts. The adjustable depth control switch and depth scale allow for precise score and plunge cuts. This brushless track saw is backed by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and includes the saw, 40-plonk time carbide tipped blade, 27.5 tracks, riving knife, track clamped, blade wrench, track wrench, and operator's manual. The Ryobi OnePlus HP 18 volts brushless cordless rotary tool is a powerful and professional-grade tool. With longer run time and 2 times more power under load, it delivers maximum precision and accuracy for all applications. The variable speed dial allows users to choose from 1,000 rated RPM to 25,000 rated RPM, and the quick change collet makes switching accessories quick and easy. The precision handpiece features high-grade aluminum construction, and the tool is foot-pedal compatible, providing a matched precision and control. The Ryobi USB Lithium high-pressure inflator kit is a versatile tool that can be used to inflate bicycle tires, vehicle tires, and sports balls. It features a digital pressure gauge and onboard LED work light for easy and precise inflation. With onboard storage and included accessories, you can inflate on the go. The product also features an LED indicator for battery status, and it's part of the USB Lithium system, providing compact, portable, rechargeable solutions for cordless power. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.